Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I hope you all are having a good Sunday around. Yeah, hi Devki. Someone has joined with the name of Cherry Art World. Okay. Yeah, so we have started. I hope you are able to hear my voice. You are able to see me. I am clearly visible, audible. Once someone can confirm, and then we'll move on. Hello. Yeah, am I audible? Okay. So let me just see once. I'm not audible then. Yeah. Hi Sandesh. Sandesh Prabhu is online. Hi. Yeah. Hi, Priya. Am I audible? Hello, Andy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Great. Great. Thank you for confirming. So let us start with the questions. What questions you have? Just let us start. Right. Whichever questions you can ask, anything related to software testing. You can ask anything related to career guidance. This totally free of cost. We won't be charging you anything. Right. Yeah. Ayush is telling Jai Shri Ram. Yeah. Uh, Jai Shri Ram. Okay, so let us see the first question. Devki, which is better, API automation or DevOps? So Devki, DevOps is something that you can choose as a career when you are interested in building out pipelines for CI/CD, for continuous integration, continuous deployment. Then there are tools, Jenkins, Azure DevOps. These tools are available, wherein you can choose to make your career in DevOps. It's a very good opportunity, no doubt in that. Even API automation is good. It is in demand. Rest assured is in demand. So many a times people are using Rest assured to automate APIs, right? So these things are in demand, right? Okay. Then so any both of the options are good for you. It is nothing like both are competitor to each other. Both of the things are in demand these days. Okay. So what else we have? So next question. What kind of questions can we expect in client interview? Okay, so let me just go to the digital product. So this is the digital product that I would like to share with you. Mhm. So if you are looking for a managerial round or if you are looking for client round, then you can purchase this product. It is important, right? It will help you to give you an idea about what kind of questions you can get in an interview. Okay, so it's a set of behavioral interview questions for testers along with answers, right? So both the things you would get there. Okay, then let's move to the next question. hmm. Thindam is asking, I am not from MSc background, can I get job in testing? Yes, yes, so you can get job in testing if you have done BE, BTech, if you have done BCA, MCA, you can get a job in testing. No worries about MSc. Okay. Yeah, even if you are not from non-IT background, still you can get a job into the IT background. You can get a job in the as a software tester. So there are many people out there who are from non-IT background and still they have got the job in the field of software testing, right? Okay, Mudassir Ahmed is asking, should we have to learn Cypress Playwright? So it is up to you. If you know Selenium Java first, if you know BDD framework, these are few of the automation frameworks in demand. BDD framework, data driven framework, keyword driven framework. If you know about these frameworks, if you know about REST assured, if you know about Selenium Java, if you know about the Venium desktop based automation, right? You can go for Playwright. Hi Akshay, how are you? So Akshay Vedya, I remember we connected on TopMate, right? Great, great. Good to see you here. Santosh, what kind of questions we can expect in client interview? So I just shared with you, right? I'm from non-IT. Can I learn QA automation testing? So if you are from non-IT, you can definitely learn QA automation. There is no doubt about that. what you have to do is you have to first learn programming language, right? So in order to learn that programming language, you will have to uh, go from the basics. So understanding data types, variables, oops concepts. Then if you are learning Java, then it is string collections. All these things will come into the picture. So learn programming language, and then it would be easier for you to become an automation tester. Okay. So Nuthan is asking which software testing. Sorry, I skipped a couple of questions between. So we'll cover. Nuthan is asking which software testing framework will be trending nowadays. Data driven framework, keyword driven BDD. I just answered. Sandesh Prabhu, which is the better open source automation tool used for desktop automation? So Venium. Venium is in demand, right? You can use Venium. You can use robot class. You can use Sikuli, right? You can use PowerShell. PowerShell is also in demand, right? Please guide the roadmap to become an automation tester. Okay, so that I'll provide it to you. So meanwhile, I'll update you about one of the video that is going to come today. It is on how to deal with the 90 days of notice period with today's market scenario, right? So I remember last time in the live session when we had connected on last Sunday, many of you had that doubt. So I have covered those things, and there is a dedicated video arranged for that. Okay. Sir, previous domain is matter for switching job in testing. No, it's not like that. What you have to do is if you want to switch to testing, you should know what is software testing. You should know basics of software testing. You should have knowledge on one of the programming language, Java, Python, C Sharp, .NET, any of that, and then you can switch. Hmm? Dhyaneshwari, I am career gap woman. I want to restart my career but no job for testing. So Dhyaneshwari, in that case, how many years of gap you have? What did you do during that gap? And in order to restart your career, you can have some courses related to software testing. You can complete some certifications. You can upgrade yourself, and then you can start giving interviews. Right? Okay. So it's a humble request, please hit on the like button, right? So as these kind of Q&A session that has been conducted on Sunday, right? And we don't charge anything, so please hit on the like button if you feel your questions are being answered. Okay. Okay, so now let us move ahead. Okay, Kaveri is asking, I want to ask you one question: in which month we get more interview opportunities in software testing? Yeah, so it does not depends on month, but see now today as the financial year is about to end, so maybe in the new financial year we can expect more job opportunities because the new financial year will start, the new projects would be starting to come, and then we might have some new job opportunities as well for freshers. And for experience, there are already job opportunities have started. You would see a lot of job opportunities coming up, right? Okay. Shrikant, hi sir, I have interest in mock interview. Can you please take it once? So I'll share the link to register for mock interviews. So the top mate link I have shared in the comment section. So please book a slot after 15 days because till 2 weeks it has been completely packed, right? So please book after 15 days, something after 10th April would do. Okay. Yogesh, what kind of question has been asked in the client interview? I already shared that document with you, right? Link for the digital product. Okay. Hemashri, sir, when can we get job nowadays? Means in April, May? Yeah. So maybe in April, May, you can expect more job opportunities to come. But before that, what is important is the people who have got the offer letters, the 2023 passed out, 2022 passed out, offer letters, those who have got, right? Those people should get the joining dates, right? So recently we saw Accenture delayed the onboarding of the freshers, right? So I'll be sharing the updates as soon as I'll get from the other companies also, like TCS, Infosys. If they are giving the joining dates to the freshers to whom they have provided the offer letters, that means they have got some projects in the pipeline, and that's where we can expect some hiring to start. Sir, I have done BSc computer, but it's from distance. After that, I have done regular PGDM and MBA. Can I get job in automation testing? So you have done BSc computer, and then you have done from distance learning and all those things, right? Yeah, so you can get a job in automation, but first understand what is manual testing about, right? Before before switching to automation, first understand what is manual testing, right? Just don't directly switch to automation testing. It would be very difficult for you, right? Okay, job opportunities for freshers. Fine, fine. So let me showcase you those things as well. Okay. So yesterday itself, we posted a few of the job opportunities for freshers. Let me share that link with you. So it's actually on a different YouTube channel that we have, that is RD Technical Learning. So here is the link for the freshers job opportunities. It was posted yesterday, right? You can also subscribe this channel. This is also my channel, RD Technical Learning, in which I am uploading core Java related interview questions, core Java coding questions, right? So that's what we are doing there. So Rohit Kumar is also there. Good afternoon, Rohit. How are you? Right. So I remember Rohit. We connected on TopMate, I think, couple of days back. Great. Okay. Yogesh, are you running a loop command of posting this comment client interview question for automation testing? Because I am seeing your comment so many times. So maybe you are running a for loop, sorry, a for loop in an Selenium script, right? Of posting this comment in the chat box. Client interview question, client interview question. Gaurav, so I have shared the link of how to get a job for manual testing for freshers, right? So there are 3 to 4 job opportunities that we had got yesterday, and I have posted them. What else you would like to know? Hemashri, sir, for 2+ years of experience in automation. So when you say 2+ years of experience in automation, is it full-time automation, or is it like 1.5 year of manual testing and 6 months of automation? That should not be the case, Hemashri, right? So I believe if you have 2 years of experience in automation, then 2 years. Okay. So see, right now, as per the job market, people who are having 3+ years of experience, they are getting a lot of jobs, right? So if you have 2+ years of experience, start giving the interviews, right? It is up to you how you are able to clear that interview, what answers you are giving, right? Can we use TestNG and Cucumber in one project? Yes, yes, of course. Why not? When will the interview calls start for QA? April, May, right? Maybe first or second quarter of the new financial year, you would start seeing some calls. Okay. Uh, okay. I learned many more things from your channel, sir. I love you from Bangalore. Yeah, I love you too. So I was in Bangalore for 4 years when I was doing engineering from there, right? So I was staying nearby Marathalli at Bangalore, and situation was pretty good at that time. Weather was too good, right? I still miss that Bangalore weather, right? Okay. So next question, sir, will they ask coding question in managerial round? No. Why will they ask coding question in the managerial round? They will see, in an interviews there will be two kinds of round. One is technical round, one would be from the managerial round, right? And at times there are two technical rounds, one managerial round. So total three interviews you will have. Once you have cleared technical round, wherein you will get a lot of questions on Java, scenario based, situation based, and Selenium, and then only you would be able to come to the manager round. So again, in manager round, they will not ask you any questions, right? So don't worry about coding interview questions in the manager round. Hmm. Okay. Then someone is writing applying everywhere but not getting shortlisted. So how many page of CV do you have? Have you included important ATS related keywords in your CV, right? Have you in have you kept automation testing, test automation, selenium, java kind of keywords, right? So those are very important keywords. If you have them, then automatically your chances of getting calls will increase, right? Yes, yes, please tell complete roadmap to learn qa testing, so let me create one video on that. Tirthraj Hinge. Tirthraj is asking questions. So let me just jot it down. He has come up with a very good request. Okay, then automation roadmap was also one of your key things. Someone was looking for that as well. Okay, so these are the two videos that I need to work for you. Okay, okay. Navita is telling, hello, sir. Previously worked as a PHP developer for 3 years. Now it's 5 year gap in profession. I want to work as a QA tester. So, Navita, 3 years earlier and 5 years now. So, it is total of 8 years that you have spent. So, it is with the experience of PHP developer. So, you don't have any experience of testing, right? So, you will have to start from scratch. You will have to start as a fresher, right, Navita? You can get a job, but they'll ask you a lot of questions. Why, after 8 years, you are deciding to switch to testing? Why not after PHP development, you can go for .NET development, right? Those things can also happen. Maths by HK. Thanks, sir. Thanks to everyone who has joined today, right? No, no, don't worry. I'm not closing this thing, but maybe I wanted to thank all of you because every Sunday you people are ready to have a kind of virtual live session with us. So thank you so much for your immense support. Also, one more thing I would like to tell you is about recently RD Technical Learning channel, right? So we have crossed 3,000 subscribers in that as well, right? So it is all because of your support, because of your love, right? That such things are possible. So that also I'm sharing with you the link of the channel, right? You can, so here is the link for that channel. You can subscribe this channel, you can hit the bell icon so that you can come to know about the various updates related to core java as well. Core java is very important with respect to automation testing interviews. Okay, Andy is asking, sir, I have 1.10 years of experience manual. Can I apply 3 plus years experience? They can shortlist my resume. So if you have 2 years of experience, you can apply max up to 2.5 because 2 to 3 months you will be serving as a notice period. But for 3 years, it will be a bit difficult, right? Yeah, Navita is telling, thank you for your mock interview, sir. It helps me a lot to improve the knowledge in testing. Thank you, ma'am. Asha, sir, after ISTQB foundation level certification, which one is better next? So if you have completed ISTQB, go for Rest Assured, go for Selenium, right? Lot of certifications you will have. Uh, Kota Konda Vinay Kumar Reddy, please take my interview. So for interviews, you can book a slot on TopMate and please schedule after 10th April, right? Baji Sheikh, sir, I have 2.5 years of experience in testing and planning to switch from MNC company. Can you please tell what are the chances in the current market? So current market with respect to the scenarios that you will see, so that are less with respect to fresher. But if you are an experienced, yes, you can plan for a switch, but at the same time prepare and then you should go for interviews because calls are less, right? Not everyone is getting lots and lots of calls which you used to get in 2021, right? So calls are less. Okay, how is the market for QA automation in Python for 3 plus? So it's a good market. If you have 3 plus years of experience, you can definitely go for a switch. No worries in that, right? Okay, and someone is asking me for the TopMate link. So I'll provide you the TopMate link, but please provide some testimonial also. Please give a positive rating also on TopMate because there are so many things that we have kept there, right? So this is my TopMate link. You would get all types of calls there to schedule a mock interview. If you need any digital product, on some testing interview questions, on behavioral interview questions, client interview questions. Recently we have uploaded the questions on TopMate related to automation testing interview questions that was asked to Capgemini. Those all things you will get. Please give a positive rating on that, right? Because those things are available at a very nominal cost. Who will charge you 99 rupees for mock interviews? Who will charge you 39 rupees for testing interview questions, right? So it has been kept at a very nominal cost. I'm not interested in money. I'm interested in the best wishes, blessings that I'll get from you all, right? Okay, let's move to the next question. Harshal Deshmukh. Hi, sir. Hi, Harshal. Rahul, opportunity in Python. So, with respect to Python, if you know Python and then you know Selenium automation, then you can apply for automation testing jobs. Sagar is asking tester to Salesforce developer. Is it possible? No. From testing to development, it's not possible, right? Okay. Market is up or down. So, market will improve in the first or second quarter of the new financial year. How to improve load testing skills? So, in order to improve the load testing skills, you need to learn Java. Sorry. You need to learn JMeter, load runner, right? Those things are required. Okay, Yogesh is telling, hello sir, could you please modify resume according to ATS friendly? I am ready to pay the fees and charges because I haven't received a call for the interview. So let me start a poll here, right? Uh, answer, yeah, let me start a poll for ATS friendly resume template. Okay, so people are asking for they are okay to pay charges as well, right? So how much charge would you pay? So let's see what is the market value that you're getting, because in at naukri.com and many other places you would be paying somewhere around 600 rupees, right? So tell me, if I provide you ATS friendly resume template, then what should be the charge that should be there? If I get it from someone, if I help you with respect to testing perspective, right, then what should be the charge of that? Okay, fine. So this is about the poll. We can continue posting your updates on the poll. Okay, can AI affect the testing in future like automation? So automation is actually helping you to test the products in an efficient manner. It is helping you to increase the productivity, right? So it will not take your job, and AI is also there to help you with few of the basic things. It is not there to take your job at all, right? Okay. Marapala Devi is asking, how can I get interview calls? So you can get interview calls when you start applying with respect to uh, in various job portals, Naukri, in various portals like LinkedIn, right? Update your CV as per ATS friendly resume, right? Update your skill set, and then you can get a job, right? So, how can we get maximum calls for automation testing? So, this is a question. How can we get maximum calls? So, in order to get maximum calls from the automation testing, uh, include Selenium, Java, REST assured, API test automation in your resume. That would help you out, right? Okay, so I see so many people out here, but please hit on the like button. The like target for this video is 200, right? Please hit on the like button, right? Okay. Which one is best, DevOps engineer or QA engineer? Because nowadays DevOps engineer getting more call rather than QA engineer. So it's not like that. Even QA interviews are being scheduled. So if you will see in the market, QA interviews I have started getting scheduled for the experienced people. If you're having more than 3+ years of experience, you would start getting calls, right? So don't worry about those kind of things. That QA is good, DevOps is good. What is your passion? What is the skill set? What is the job that you would like to do? That is important, right? What else? How do you start SDIT? Okay, so let me make one video on that as well. Deepak, hello sir. As you ask, I have 2 pages CV. I mentioned manual automation, API, SQL, Java. Should I have to add project? I am a fresher. So if you are a fresher, then add projects that you have done related to the software testing, or maybe any internship that you have done related to software testing, any kind of bug-a-thon that you had attended, any kind of remote testing work that you have done, right? So those kind of things you can do. Okay, what else? um okay, what kind of content you are looking for from our YouTube channel? RD automation learning, RD technical learning. What kind of content you are looking? So we are uploading videos on mock interviews, we are uploading videos on testing job opportunities. Are you looking for some specific content? So please let me know in the comment, in this chat itself, right? Job based live project. Okay, job based live project. So if I create a job based live project, so you want me to come up with a website, help you with the test cases, and then this project you would include in your CV. Is what you are looking for? Job opportunity and how to crack jobs. So job opportunities we are uploading, right? So those things we are doing, right? Swapna is asking for remote jobs for women. So we are uploading those kind of things. See, remote job opportunities, work from home, work from office, hybrid job opportunities, those we are posting. If the jobs itself in the market are less, so I will not be able to upload it more, right? I don't want to fool you guys just to increase my views. That's not my end goal. My end goal is to help people out there, right? So as and when, so if you remember, Swapnali, I don't know since when you have subscribed, but 2 months back there was a woman based drive that was started in Accenture, and then recently we also uploaded videos for ServiceNow, right? So those things are there, right? Okay, so video on ATS free resume template and creation. Okay, can you please help me with video ATS free resume? Fine. Okay. Manual testing is outdated. No, no, not at all. Why do you feel so? Who tells you all these things? Which channels you have subscribed to get all these kind of knowledge, right? Okay. Uh, Gaurav is asking, sir, how to make resume for freshers of manual testing. So it will be covered in the ATS itself. Don't worry, right? We'll cover that, Gaurav, for you. Suraj, can you tell me the channel for Java developer who provides similar support like you, like job opening and all? I don't know, Suraj. I'm not a Java developer. My channel name is RD Automation Learning, and the second channel name is RD Technical Learning. And you can also subscribe both of these channels. In RD Technical Learning, whenever we get some good Java coding interview questions, we are uploading them, right? Okay, so that is about the Java. What else? I see repetitive questions now. Everyone wants automation testing. Yes, Harshal Deshmukh is right. Everyone wants automation testing these days. Salesforce testing is in demand. Yes, yes, Salesforce testing is in demand. Right, right, that is there. Lakshmi Priya, experience 4.1 in automation. So if you have full-time experience in automation itself, you can expect package up to 12 to 15 lakhs per annum. Whatever experience you have, multiplied with 3. If you have mixed kind of experience, manual plus automation, then those things you can keep. If you have mixed like 2 years of manual, 2 years of automation, so if it's a manual, then you can multiply it by 2. If it's an automation, you can multiply it by 3 as well, right? You can get 30% of hike if it is, if you are have complete automation kind of experience, real time experience. uh, okay, Chandni is telling, could you please share a product based company or a startup company who gives opportunity to career gap women? So Chandni, why don't you apply in HCL? HCL gives a lot of job opportunities, and they are more keen, they are more interested to help women when they have taken this kind of gaps, right? Sagar is telling, will you provide support regarding interviews, call for Salesforce testing if I join you? So join me means you can subscribe the channel, you can connect with us on TopMate, right? And you can ask your queries, you can get yourself mock interviewed, you can get some career guidance. So those things are there. I have not enabled join button on my channel because join button will ask you to pay every month. So take an example, as it's a mobile recharge. Every 3 months you are paying some xyz amount to maybe Geo plan or Airtel, whichever you have subscribed to, so that you are using their services, and in return Geo Airtel gets money. So if I can also enable join button, I don't have any issue. I have got those kind of monetization um, possible, but I don't want to enable because I don't want to take money from the people just for the sake of joining, right? So that's not the intention, taking the money from the people every month. Those money would get deducted. So it's a kind of a Netflix account subscription. Similarly, you will have this YouTube channel subscription. So I'm not interested in those kind of things. So join is not an option. You can come on TopMate, we can have a word, we can connect virtually once, twice, thrice, and that's how we can go forward. Naveen Kumar, I have completed my first round in Infosys. Great. In second round, which type questions will they ask? So Naveen, if you are trying to go for Infosys, right, it's a good company, no problem with that, but workload will be too high in that company, right? So have some backup offer letters. Also, in the second round, you can expect few of the interview questions. So I have created a product on the Capgemini interview questions. So let me just share with you. Hmm, wait, actually, so many links, right? So these are Capgemini interview questions. Similar questions you can expect from Infosys also, right? I have put in the link in the chat box. Okay. Yeah. So we have got 45 links so far, and there are so many people online. So please hit on the like button. The the target reach is 200 likes. Sagar, thank you. Okay. How many package for manual testing for 2.5 years of experience? So, if you have 2.5 years of experience, you can expect package up to 5 or 6 lakhs per annum. If you are living in a non-metro city, if you are living in a metro city, 8, 9, up to 10 is also possible. Okay. Shivani, hello sir. As an experience in automation testing, is it necessary to learn CI/CD tool like Jenkins or any other tool? So you don't have to create the pipeline, but you should know basics, how the Jenkins is triggering your automation, what kind of failure you can get, how will you do root cause analysis. So those kind of things you can get. Hmm. So Suraj is asking, how do you find out job posting which you post on your channel? So see, you can also get job openings from Naukri, you can get job openings from LinkedIn, right? Those are the uh, portals where you can get a lot of job opportunities. Priyanka is asking, hello sir, in my previous company, I am on bench for almost an year. I don't work on any project now. It's 4 months since I resigned and I did testing what project I put in my resume. Please answer. So it's a good thing. But my concern is, why were you waiting for 1 year in the same company if you are on bench? See guys, if you are on bench more than 6 months in any company, then it's a risk. Whenever that company will be doing layoff, you would be the first soft target, right? So if you are on bench since 5 months, if you are on bench since 6 months, then it's a red alert for you. You should start preparing, you should start giving interviews, right? Don't wait for the company to give you a job. sorry, projects, right? They are paying you, and it doesn't say that they'll pay you forever. It's a business oriented thing, right? They will not keep you for always, right? So you have to switch. Don't wait for such a long period. So Priyanka, it's a good thing that you have actually thought of switching, but don't put down your papers without switching. First get a job and then switch, and then put down your papers. Okay. Bansri, hello sir. Hello Bansri. Dhruv is asking, how much useful is JMeter and APM as an add-on? I have 1 year manual and 2.5 years of automation. So if you are having a kind of 3 to 5 years of experience, so JMeter is good, APM is good, but learn API automation, learn REST assured. That would be much helpful to you. Okay. Uh, Ranga Akunari is asking, can an experienced test engineer switch to DevOps? If so, what will be the good experience that one should have as a test engineer? So, see, if you have 2 to 3 years of experience in testing, you can still switch to DevOps. I won't recommend if you have 6 to 8 years of experience and then you switch to DevOps. It is altogether a fresh start that you will have to do, right? So, don't go for those things. You can go for the switch once you have 1 to 2 or max 2 to 3 years of experience. If you have more than 3 years of experience in testing, then don't switch to DevOps, because in DevOps you will have to start from the beginning. Okay. Okay, so this is good. What else? What is the next question that you all have? Is Tosca automation good? How is in the market at this? So Tosca automation is good, but again, Tosca is actually a paid tool. So there are very few companies who would be going for paid automation tools. So I would recommend you to learn free tools like Selenium, right? Cypress. These things are free. You can learn them. Okay. So ATS friendly resume template. So there are 92 votes here, and I have just come up with the nominal rates. So what is the nominal rate that you would be happy to pay if you get ATS friendly resume, right? So 45% people have voted for one number, 15%, 33%, 6%. Fine, fine. Chandni, if you have list of product base, yeah, yeah. So Chandni will work on that. Don't worry, right? I have noted down your query and would definitely work on it. Okay. So someone is asking, inconsistent career. I have 2 years experience, 6 months gap, and 8 months experience. My last working day is July 2023. I mentioned I have experience of 2 years in automation and I was interviewed. Difficulty level for 1 hour 15 minutes in first round interview is confident about my technical skills, not on my inconsistent. Will they consider me? And yeah. So see, if you have got a gap, maybe due to some personal reason, maybe due to health reason, maybe due to maternity reason, any reason, maybe due to marriage, right? So that is not a concern. Many of the people do undergo such kind of things in their career, but what is important is how much technical knowledge you have. If you are good technically, if you are strong technically, then the interviewers will like you, right? And then they will also give you an opportunity after career gap also, right? So despite you have career gap, if you are good technically enough, if you are good uh, in technical knowledge wise, then definitely there is a chance of you getting selected. Yeah, please hit on the like button. The target is 200 likes. Fine. Ankita, what languages I have to learn in automation testing? So you have to learn Java, you have to learn Python, you can learn .NET, C Sharp, any one of the programming language you can learn, right? Akshay, I am in one company and I am on bench since from past 2 years. I haven't worked on any real time project. So what project I need to put in my resume and how to switch? So You can work on a few of the real-time websites like Amazon, Flipkart, and you can automate them. You can put these kind of projects on your resume, right? And how to switch. So start giving interviews, start updating your profile on Naukri, start updating your profile on LinkedIn, right? Yeah. So that would be helpful to you. Okay. I have applied lots of openings. Some calls are coming, but why interview is not scheduled? So calls are coming, but then what is the notice period you have? What is the skill set that you have? What is the package that you are having? Is the company having that kind of budget or not? Right. So those all things are very important, Akshay. Right, Akshay, or sorry, who asked this question? So there are a lot of questions that are coming on the screen, so it becomes a bit difficult now. So when I start the live, at that time there are few folks who are online and they'll start picking up questions, but then there is a peak time after 30 minutes. The questions start coming up and it's a kind of a scroll that is happening, right? So it becomes very difficult to read all the questions. Database tester vacancies there or not? So you will not get the database testing vacancies. You have to search for ETL testing vacancies, right? In ETL testing you can have database, you can have skill sets of SQL, so those you can get. Kanimozi, I have 10 years of gap from my graduation. Now I completed manual testing course. I don't get any interview call. So you have 10 years of gap, right? Along with manual, learn automation as well, right? Learn Jira, learn agile testing. What is agile? What is sprint? Which are the different agile ceremonies? Attend those kind of things. Learn those kind of things. Yes, yes, they will consider you if he's confident about your technical skills. Thursday you had second round, so after Thursday, today is Sunday. Sunday is a weekend. Just one day has passed. Don't worry, you will get selected. Yes, you should accept that offer. And yes, there is a request that I would like to make is, if you're getting selected in any of the companies, then share your success story with us, right? Don't worry, you will not be asked to reveal about your original companies or your CTC, right? We want to come up with the QA success stories because we want to ensure that people get motivated about the positive things that are started happening in the market now. Okay, so you can share your details at rdautomationlearning at the rate of gmail.com, so that we can connect for virtual interviews on Zoom, and wherein you can share your success story with us, right? So it is rdautomationlearning at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, yeah. So what else? Suraj is telling, I am on a 3 months gap and I took a break for 1 month, but from February I started applying, but it has been almost 3 months. What and how can I answer in interview about gap? But in gap I learned automation. So that's a good thing. See, you you took a gap, and it was a gap of 3 months. So you can give any reason. So what was the reason that you can state in an interview, and you can tell. So imagine I am giving an answer on your behalf, right? So what I would do is, um, sir, I had to go for a career gap for. I had to take a gap in my career for 3 months. I was not able to work because I was focusing on my father's illness issue, right? And I had to go, and there were multiple visits that we had to make to the doctors, due to which the time did not I did not get much time, and I had to work, like, I had to take a gap itself. The company did not offer me work from home, and nothing I could have done, right? But in the meantime, when I got an opportunity, I started learning automation, and you can ask me any questions on automation, but then be prepared for automation, right? It should not happen that he asks you a question on automation and then you're not able to answer, right? Then you will not get selected in an interview. Don't do those kind of things. Okay. Yeah, yeah, just kidding. Sakshi, sir, I have 1 year of gap, how they can answer in interview? Yeah, so I just gave you an answer, right? Can you provide test plan related to banking domain project? Okay, so let me see if I can provide you a test plan. What other documents you need? Just tell me those things as well. So I'll provide you those documents also. I'm currently working in an automation testing. Should I do what should I do for improvement? So you are working in an automation testing, then implement best practices, best standards, use GitLab, use version control tools, right? Use code coverage tools like Jacoco. Right? Those would be helpful to you. Puneet, sir, you helped me to crack an interview. I got placed as a QA intern. Thank you. So, Puneet, many congratulations to you. I would request you to come on our channel. You can share your details at rdautomationlearning at the rate of gmail.com, right? And we would be happy to connect with you, and we would be happy to cover your interview experience as well. So please understand this as a request, and I would request you to come on our channel to share your success story with us, right, Puneet? Okay. uh, Vicky, having experience of 1.3 years in QA automation, getting distracted by few people that QA does not have future, even through manage through things QA are nothing, can I switch? So Vicky, it's a wrong mindset when you meet with the people that say QA is not having importance any. So those just ignore those kind of people. Hear from one of the ear, and just move on. It is something that you should not believe into. It is something that you should not you know take into the consideration. It's not like that. Without QA nothing will happen. Hmm? Okay, what else we have? Yeah, Puneet, sure, sir, helping you. Yeah, so thank you so much, Puneet. I would be very happy if you can just share your contact details also with us. And if you are available today, we can just connect for 15 to 20 minutes. You can share your details at this particular email address. I'll contact you. I just need your 15 to 20 minutes to understand what was the interview process, how did you connect, and how did you came to know about those things, right? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So I think we are done with almost 45 minutes, but I see many of the questions. So we'll cover next time also, but let's have this session closed in next 5 minutes, right? So, right, because it becomes difficult to, speak at a stretch for such a long time, right? So DJ is asking, do you run any classes? So we are running classes, but it's not a dedicated thing. If you are looking for any kind of coaching, any kind of long-term mentorship from me, then you can book 1 hour sessions every day, and we will teach you about Selenium, Java, manual testing, right? But please understand, I have some personal commitments, so after 10th of April, I can help you with further request. Okay, which is the most demanding automation framework? So BDD, keyword driven, data driven framework, these things are very important, right? uh Vivek, sir, any good AI related tool I can implement in my company? So you can use AI tools. Chat GPT is there. Then even you can use other gamma kind of tools which you can use to create PPTs, right? So those things you can use, right? Okay, Devraj, thanks for your time, because I have cleared all the Capgemini round. Now it's in BGV process. I don't have PF. I've already mentioned HR. Is there any suggestion as a 4 year experience? So Devraj, don't worry if you don't have PF. Nothing will happen, because there are a few of the startup companies who don't pay PF at all, right? So Devraj, I would request you to come on our channel and share your success story with us. I would be very happy to cover this thing, right? Because there is a lot of negativity in the market. I would be happy to connect with you, right? So if you want to connect Devraj, or people who have got some of the QA interviews cleared, please share your contact details at rdautomationlearning at gmail.com, and let us know the proper time slot and day when we can connect you. And you can also, so if you want to get yourself interviewed, any kind of career guidance, you can just search on TopMate, rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. Recently we have completed 2000 plus calls there as well, right? Sorry, not 2000, sorry, 100 plus calls there as well. 2000 minutes of meetings we have completed there, right? So that's it, for where you can reach out to us, right? So it's been almost 50 minutes now, right? So I would like to end this session, and I would like to tell you one thing, that because of your love, because of your support, this channel has been growing day by day, and you have been supporting a lot of things. Just let me know how can I support you. If you want that top mate things, if you're not affordable, then I'm ready to offer you those things in free as well, right? So approach me, what problems you have, I'll try to help with whatever extent I can, and would be happy to get you a job, right? And I'll pray to God as well that all of you get the jobs, all of you get the good job opportunities in testing as soon as possible, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for coming today on Sunday, and we'll be meeting after couple of weeks soon, right? And thank you so much, wish you all the best for your careers.